Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make entries in Zoho Books. Recording transactions correctly, whether they are sales, expenses, payments, or journal entries, is important for keeping our financial records accurate and up to date. Now, let's get started. We begin with items and sales orders. Here, we can create or make an entry by clicking the plus new button. We can add a product such as goods or services and choose the unit, like per piece or per box. The selling price is 50 and the cost price is 30. Once we finish our first entry, we just need to click Save. Now we have an entry for our item. For sales, we can create entries for invoices. Here, we create invoices. We enter the customer's name and type any footnotes. The name of the customer goes here. Next, we add the name, for example, St. John's. Once this information is added, we just need to check everything and click Save. After saving, it is added to the invoice list. This is how we create an invoice. Now, let's create a purchase entry. We go to Orders and select Purchase Orders. We click New to create an order and choose a vendor, for example, Surplus. Let's enter the name of the buyer. The company name can be entered as well. Once everything is complete, we click Save. This is how we make entries in Zoho Books. Always review the details, accounts, and totals before saving to make sure everything is recorded properly.